I'm Paul, we're from Brisbane. We've lived here in this place for about 7 months now. We're a family of 4, so my husband and I and our 2 kids. We have quite a integrated house that we've set up. So, most of our entertainment areas have TVs. As you can imagine, in today's digital world, we are streaming non-stop. The kids are gaming and streaming. Projectors in the media room. We have a home office set up for 2 people to work essentially full-time. It's Queensland, so air conditioning is a must here. This is our second house that we've purchased. After the first house, we knew that it was a no-brainer. We needed solar. It just makes sense. On our first journey, we hit a bit of a hurdle that we used one of the no-name brand installers, and very quickly they had shut up shop, and so we'd lost our support. So this time we wanted to make sure that we went with somebody who was going to be in it for the long haul, so that we had that ongoing support. Once we'd bought this house, we spent a little bit of time researching installers and suppliers. I had contacted a couple of companies, Instyle being one of them. They were quick to get back to us, which was good. And then, within a week we had the consultant out here, Rory, fantastic service. He spent the time to understand our power needs, but also what our long-term goals were. We want a system that is battery capable for expansion in the future, but also to understand how we could maximise our return on our solar system today. The installation guys were fantastic. They were in, done their job, cleaned up and gone, honestly, in half a day. Very professional installers. Left the site very, very tidy. I was surprised by that. Not too many trades do that, which was good to see. And they also explained our system to us in quite good detail. Once it was installed and set up, they sat down and went through, the manual operation of the system, future maintenance type requirements, and also the apps that we have for monitoring our system. Having that ability though to see what our system is doing and our power usage was instrumental in us shifting our usage to time of day to make the most of our system. We were averaging anywhere between sort of $400 and $600 a billing cycle in energy usage, and our very first full quarter bill with our solar system, we ended up with just short of $190 credit. So significant savings for us. That saving for us is allowing us to do things around the house. There's a few things we want to do to change it up a bit and personalise it, but it also gives us a little bit of free money that we can go and spend time with the kids. The whole install process was actually easy. Probably one of the easiest trades I've ever had to engage, and really good follow-up service as well.